Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the best budget dash cam you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on recording quality, features, and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a no-frills solution, one with a few more bells and whistles, or a 4K option, we'll have the budget dash cam for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Apeman C450. For $45, the Apeman C450 is a great choice for anyone in the market for a great HD dash cam with night vision that's easy to use and can also record audio. The C450 offers a good viewing angle of 170 degrees, which captures an ultra-wide field of view that may aid you if you're involved in an accident. Super night vision records well at night thanks to solid low-light aperture and HDR that enhances clarity in low-light conditions, making it easy to view details in a scene. The built-in G sensor automatically detects any impact against your vehicle and locks the footage to prevent it from accidentally being overwritten, making it great for parked hit and runs. This 1080p dashcam records decent quality video. However, those who demand higher quality video might want to check out the Yi Smart Dashcam next on our list. The Apeman C450 comes with both a suction cup that attaches to the windshield and a dash mount, giving you options depending on your needs. The features are video. Records 1080p video with options for lower resolution to save storage space. Angle. 170 degree field of view to record a wider angle and reduces blind spots. G-sensor. This dashcam features a built-in G-sensor that detects impacts and starts recording. LCD screen. Comes with a 3-inch LCD screen to view recordings. Night vision. The combination of f1.8 large aperture, WDR, HDR ensures the clarity of images at night. The pros are setup. Setting up the Apeman C450 is easy and intuitive. Affordable. At $45, this is one of the best cheap dashcam options. Time and date stamp. An option on the initial setup allows you to time and date stamp along with your car identification number right on the video. And for the cons, sound quality. The internal mic is not directional, so it picks up engine and wind noise while driving. Full HD recording, night vision, G-sensor collision detection, plus additional features make the Apeman C450 a great value choice. The fourth product on our list is the Yi Smart Dashcam. This is a great value per dollar dashcam. If you're looking for a full HD dashcam that not only records but provides driver assistance as well, then the Yi Smart Dashcam is a great option for $50. Crammed into the Yi Smart Dashcam's small form factor is a lot of tech, starting with full HD video recording at 60 FPS. Its ultra-wide-angle lens captures 165 degrees, which is great, but with ultra-wide-angle lenses also comes a bit of warping around the edges. However, the image quality is still top-notch, even in low-light settings and night mode. G-sensor technology is also included in the Yi Smart Dashcam to pick up any impacts against your vehicle and trigger recording immediately. The ADAS, or Advanced Driver Assistance System, is a great feature with the Yi Smart that's not found on budget-level dashcams. It uses advanced and optimized visual recognition algorithms to ensure safe driving by providing real-time information on lane changes. The features are camera. The ultra-wide-angle 165-degree lens can capture full 3-lane coverage plus night vision. Video. Records 1080p video at 60 FPS for recording even fast-moving scenes. G-sensor. The Yi Smart Dashcam includes G-sensor tech to monitor impacts and record automatically. Wi-Fi. Built-in Wi-Fi with support to connect to an Android or iOS device with a free downloadable app. The pros are night vision. Video detail is high quality even in night vision mode. Simplicity. Easy setup is great for first-time dashcam users, and the menu is mainly icon-based for intuitive use. ADAS. Advanced Driver Assistance System uses advanced and optimized visual recognition algorithms to ensure safe driving. And for the cons, camera focus. If the device gets too hot, the image on the screen can get blurry. The Yi Smart Dashcam stretches the dollar as far as it can go, with great recording technology, driver assistance features, and an LCD screen at a very affordable price. The third product on our list is the Anker Rove Dashcam A1. This is our best night vision dashcam. If night vision capability is a priority on a dashcam, then the Anker Rove Dashcam A1 is a great option with its advanced Nighthawk technology for the best nighttime video captures. The Rove records full HD video with a super wide lens and is loaded with features to make it an excellent all-round dashcam as well for just $55. The Rove Dashcam A1 has a premium build with tough polycarbonate for excellent durability and protects inner components against vibrations. It's built to withstand extreme heat and cold for reliable use, making it ideal for just about any climate. The full HD video quality is great, with ample detail to make out car models and license plates, including during nighttime video captures. It also comes with a 2.4-inch LCD screen with 4 menu buttons for easy navigation and control. It has built-in Wi-Fi, and with its free app for both iOS and Android, you can easily transfer video files. The features are video. The Rove records with a 145-degree field of view lens in full HD. Parking sensor. Gravity sensor detects sudden movements, such as a car bumping into your car, and automatically turns on to record activity even when your car is off. Complete flexibility. The design is completely flexible, allowing 180 degrees of tilt and 360-degree rotation, allowing you to find the ideal angle to record at any time. The pros are night vision. Advanced Nighthawk technology with wide dynamic range video system provides enhanced nighttime captures. Parking recording. It records while you're away when its gravity sensor detects sudden movements and impacts. Smart connection. The Rove can connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi for easy video downloads. And for the cons, parking recording. The parking recording feature can be overzealous and record too many things, such as entering and exiting the car. 145-degree FOV is not as wide as other dashcams. Superior nighttime recording adds to the many great features of the Rove Dashcam A1, making it a natural choice for drivers who want additional security for nighttime driving. The second product on our list is the Aukey DR02 Dashcam. This is our best budget stealth dashcam. The Aukey DR02 is an inconspicuous dashcam with a low profile that hides the majority of its frame behind the slope of your windshield and stays out of your way while you're driving. So if you're looking for a full HD dashcam that won't distract you when you're driving, then the Aukey DR02 is a great choice at $70. The Aukey DR02 dashcam uses a Sony Exmor sensor that captures everything in super sharp full 1080p and also records nighttime driving with great clarity and detail, and the images are not blown out by oncoming headlights. The dashcam adheres to your windshield with an adhesive mount to stay secure at all times. There's also an emergency recording button that protects footage with a single push of a button. The menus are intuitive, making them quite easy to navigate even on a small screen. The features are low profile. The DR02 is a stealthy dashcam that is both small and non-distracting. Sony Exmor sensor. It captures everything in super sharp full 1080p. Emergency recording mode. The dashcam automatically captures unexpected driving incidents activated by a built-in gravity sensor and protects them against being overwritten. Time-lapse mode. Not related to safety, but it records and creates a time-lapse video of your journey, making it a pretty cool feature. The pros are compact. At 2.2 by 2.2 by 1.2 inches, it's small and inconspicuous. Features. Comes with several modes including emergency recording, time-lapse, loop recording, motion detection, and snapshot function. Internal microphone. The internal microphone is mutable and doubles as a speaker. And for the cons, fisheye distortion. The large field of view creates a noticeable fisheye effect. The Aukey DR02's wedge-shaped dashcam is low profile so it won't distract your driving. It records vivid colors even in low light settings, all at 1080p with a 170-degree field of view on a super wide-angle lens. Loaded with features, the DR02 is a hidden gem at a very affordable price. The first product on our list is the AZ Dashcam GS Pro. This is our best budget 4K dashcam. A dashcam truly built with every kind of driver in mind, the AZ Dashcam GS Pro is a clear winner across the board thanks to a powerful array of features, 4K recording capability, and unparalleled ease of use. Currently priced at $100, this affordable 4K dashcam really outperforms its class. The AZ Dashcam GS Pro's main feature is its ability to record in 4K UHD with a 170-degree viewing angle. Not only does this capture an incredible field of view, but it does so with unparalleled visual clarity and quality, which comes in handy for capturing license plates, driver faces, and surrounding details like road signs. With so much recording versatility, this dashcam eliminates the worry of having to deal with hit-and-run drivers or those attempting to hold you liable for accidents that weren't your fault. The 2.4-inch LCD screen is very intuitive to use, allowing you to quickly cycle through recordings and isolate the content you need. It also features a 24-hour parking monitor to make sure that the camera captures anything nefarious that might happen to your car while you're away. The GS Pro also includes built-in GPS, motion detection, and 64 gigabytes of external memory, which is great for recording in 4K. The features are 4K. This dashcam records 4K UHD video. Built-in functions. This dashcam includes built-in Wi-Fi and GPS functionality. Night vision. This dashcam takes great night vision video in 4K. The pros are 4K. This dashcam records excellent quality 4K UHD video. Motion detection. This dashcam includes motion detection technology. Built-in functions. This dashcam includes built-in Wi-Fi and GPS functionality for more versatility. And for the cons, vibration. The mount creates a slight vibration which can sometimes affect recording. The AZ Dashcam GS Pro is a definite winner thanks largely to its astonishingly detailed 4K recording and extra features that all work together to record incidents at full detail. This budget dashcam offers supreme peace of mind for motorists who want a great device to fall back on. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you want to know best pricing on everything I talked about in the video, be sure to check the description. You never know when things go on sale. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.